Hello and welcome. I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. And I'm so thrilled to be here with this apartment today to show you. I'm standing in apartment 804 on level 8 of the One Market Lane apartments on the corner of Cable Street and Taranaki Street in Wellington. And this apartment building is one of the best apartment buildings in New Zealand, and I'll show you why shortly. One of the things about this apartment which make it special is that it's got a nice high stud. And we'll just have a look at the stud. Now, I want to explain what a high stud does mean to an apartment in terms of value. It does give an apartment greater sense of elegance and a greater sense of space, and it does add a lot of value to the whole living experience and of course the value of the apartment. This apartment too has got a wonderful view of the harbour, and we'll just turn around now and have a look at the harbour. It's one of its great features, and I have to say I've been looking at this view now for the last month or so during the beautiful weather we've had through lockdown, and I have to say it's got some wonderful therapeutic qualities. It's a magnificent outlook. I do apologise for the weather today. It's a little bit overcast. It's normally really lovely and flat and sunny down there, but it's a wonderful, wonderful benefit that comes with this apartment. So you're in a fantastic place, a wonderful part of the world to look out on. Now let's do our walkthrough for the apartment. We're standing now in the lounge area, but we've got this really lovely open dining, kitchen, living area. And the kitchen is a fantastic setup. It's really lovely. We'll have a look at the kitchen. So beautiful joinery, we've got some lovely finished surfaces, and lovely integrated fridge here. We've got gas hobs as well, which you don't often see in apartments, but the overall apartment itself is beautifully presented. Lovely stone bench tops, beautiful sink, dishwasher, lots of drawers and cupboards. It really is quite special. So we've got a nice space for dining here as well. And let's just have another look at the living area here. So the living area has got these lovely big ranch slider doors, so they go right back. Now I'm doing this deliberately because, as you can see out on the water, it's quite windy down on the water, but there's hardly anything moving here. It's a really lovely sheltered spot. Really lovely sheltered spot. And these doors move nicely. Another feature this apartment's got is the blinds. So just have a look at the blinds here. There we go. We've got electric blinds here, which is just fantastic. They work really well. Okay. Now this might seem like something quite minor, but for me it's really important. I love these sliding doors, so the living area is separated from one of the bedrooms here with a sliding door, so the door doesn't come into the room on either side. And we go through to this beautiful bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And you can really see that, notice the stud height in here too. And a lovely spacious bedroom. But before you come around to the doors, let's just have a look at the window seat. It's a really lovely idea here too. We've got a nice recess here through to the windows, so nice cushioned area for window seat to look out onto, so you can sit there and read a magazine and watch the world go past. Nice big wardrobes, lovely lacquered finish here. And right next door we've got the main bathroom, And this bathroom has got a bath, which is just tremendous. Not many apartments have a bath, and it's really well set up. Okay, so another feature about this apartment which I think makes it great is the fact that the bedrooms are separated quite deliberately. You've got a bedroom here we've just been to. The next bedroom is over here, so there's really good separation between the bedrooms. And that to me shows a very clever floor plan. Now you're going to be impressed with the main bedroom, mostly because it's so big. And it's got a lovely big ensuite as well. Lots of wardrobes. All the way through here, wardrobe space. And in behind here we've got shelving, which you can't see from there. But a really nice setup. And certainly lovely to come home to. Now then we've got the bathroom, or should I say the ensuite from the main bedroom. Beautiful tiled surfaces, and most notably double basin. All the basins and toilets, etc. Duovite, lovely, lovely tiled surfaces. And here we go in the hallway now. Now just stop there. There's a few things I want to explain about the hallway. The hallway, first and foremost, the door. Now all of the doors in this building are like this. This is beautiful dark timber and a really nice high door to give some more sense of grandeur. And just inside the doorway we've got the laundry. Miele appliances. Actually Miele appliances throughout the property. And we've also got a closet there for the cloaks. We've also got this, a little thing, but I really like it. Turn off the light and all the lights go on, or go off, sorry. Come home and switch that on and all the lights come on. It's a really well thought out idea. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed our little walkthrough. The next thing I just want to explain to you the reasons why you'd want to buy this apartment. Now this apartment's on level 8 at 1 Market Lane. It's on the market at by inquiry over 1,450,000. It's 111 square metres, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a car park and a storage locker. The other thing that you need to know about the building itself and what comes with the apartment is a gymnasium, a very well equipped gymnasium. There's also an executive meeting room and a theaterette. And they're all on the ground floor, but they are facilities that come with the building which you hardly get anywhere else, which just makes this building that much more special and that much more prestigious. So there we have it. The other reason for doing this video today is that we have the tender closing on Wednesday. It is on the market as tender if not sold prior. We've got a tender closing next Wednesday, the 10th of June at 3 o'clock. So if you do want to come and have a look at it for yourself, please let me know. We're doing an open home this weekend as well at 1 o'clock, and you certainly would be most welcome to come along to that if you are free to do so. If you're wanting any information on the apartment, please get a hold of me at jkettle@tommies.co.nz or call me on 027 443 1355. I've got an email with a Dropbox link with the full information pack that I can send to you. So please feel free to get a hold of me to arrange a viewing and get an information pack. I think that's all from me for now, except the one thing I want to say about this apartment is that it is elegant. It's a beautiful, elegant apartment. It's built by one of New Zealand's premium construction companies, developers, Willis Bond, and that really is something to be proud of. Anyone that owned this apartment would be very happy for some time, I would say. So there we have it. Thank you very much for tuning in. I look forward to talking to you again very soon. Bye-bye for now.